How to fix Instagram Messenger update option not showing in less than 1 minute. So if you want to fix this problem, it's actually very easy than what you thought. First thing you have to do is very simple. Open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager page. On this page you will find the apps that you have on your phone. If you have Android or iOS, it doesn't matter. Then search for Instagram and click on it like this, and then click here on this option. After you click on this option, then go down, click on notifications. Make sure that all notifications are enabled. Scroll all the way down, click on more settings. It will take you directly to Instagram, and then make sure that this option is disabled like this. Go back and then click here on storage, click on clear data. Now go back to the home page again, click on Play Store, search for Instagram, and click here on update if you don't have the latest version. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.